everyone. Today I'm going to show you what I worked on this morning. I continue to push forward and I'm building my own online ecosystem that generates daily residual income, and I'm setting myself up for a brighter future and getting my URLs indexed into the future Web 3, the future of the internet. We're going to speak about blockchain domains. I own many brand name blockchain domains. Today I'm going to speak about alessafoods.crypto. You see that? .crypto. And when I type that into the search bar, alessafoods.crypto, and I have the browser extension added to the Chrome browser and to other browsers because this is the wave of the future. It's the next .com boom. It redirects the user, the visitor, to this product that I promote. I'm an Amazon affiliate. I want to make a sale. I have a search engine on top. I show a couple of ads. It's all about increasing ad revenue. And that redirects the visitor to that. I have 10 pages speaking about Alessa Foods. And I tweaked them all and I worked on them. And they all pretty much look like this. But I want you to see this. You see how this says authentic Italian freshness? This is something I had to learn. There's no parent page to this. And I had this blockchain domain redirecting to this specific URL. Ethereum costs a lot of money when you buy it and you move blockchain domains around. So I said, what am I going to do here? I duplicated a page that I had. Duplicate this. It's a freebie plugin. And when I click it, you see how this is letter A shopping? Authentico Italian freshness? That's the parent page, letter A shopping. So I didn't want to pay the money to redirect it to this URL. So I duplicated the page to create a new URL. I just didn't want to lose the redirect because I'm learning, and redirecting your Ethereum blockchains cost money. That's for another video. But I'm here to show you that I updated all these URLs. They all speak about Alessa Foods. Here, I'll show you one more just so you understand. I just tweaked. This one is about authentic Italian soups. You notice how I'm not using Alessa Foods in the titles of the URLs. It's because I'm hoping someday Alessa Foods buys .crypto, alessafoods.crypto, because their main URL is alessafoods.com. I'm just planning for the future, and if they don't, this is a great brand name to, help expand my business. So I updated all those pages. What else did I do? I use, right now, maybe I pay for this, header footer code manager, but it's pennies, guys. Alessa Foods pages. I'm going to click edit. I added all the Alessa Food pages that I created, speaking about Alessa Foods, all the web pages that I created, speaking about Alessa Foods, and I added them into the page list because this is about pages, not posts. Took the snippet code. I titled it Alessa Authentic Italian Foods. That's all you need to know. I say show it on all devices, located in the header, snippet type, HTML, specific pages. You could choose post if that's what you're writing about, site-wide, that's up to you. And you click save. So now, eventually this makes it more attractive to the search engines. And the search engine robots will eventually crawl my sitemap and realize, oh, this website has more pages. They made it better. You need a meta description, because when people come across these web pages in the search engine, what's going to pop up underneath the title? this short, precise description. Alessa Authentic Italian Foods. That says it all. It's perfect. So that's what I worked on today. The future's very bright. It took me like 6 weeks to correct all the mistakes. I'm building an enterprise of my own. Right now, I have 5 of these pages filled with web pages that I need to update, that I'm fixing all the trial and errors. I'm fixing all the I'm not going to call them mistakes because it led me to become better. I mean, this is the future. These pages are beautiful. I have a nice search bar on top, some content, an Amazon link. People click on that, they're brought to my, I directed the visitor to Amazon. They do have native ads. That's another video. They're rolling it out. My own design, a little image, some content. I learned about a product, and because I write about the product, I became a customer. I've been buying their products. They have very good products. So this is the wave of the future, blockchain domains, and I'm in it. So now, well, I don't know if I'm going to work on that one next. The next group of pages, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to start with letter B, shopping, and I'm going to review all my B&G food brands. I'll show you that. That's what I'm going to work on next. I have a lot of pages speaking about this brand, and it's time to upgrade all the pages. All of these are linked to pages I created, but I can make them better. See what happened here? Because native ads are no longer on Amazon, so I have to fix that. But I'm not in a rush. Oh, and by the way, I own that domain. See, BG Foods? Is that BNG Foods? Well, I have bgfoods.crypto. Let's see what... Let me refresh my memory here. Yeah, BNG Foods. If I typed it in like this and put .com, that's their domain, .com. That's why I bought that. So I'm going to work on that next. Never give up. Keep moving forward. I am so proud of this work. Everything is set up the way it should be to get indexed into the search engines organically and help boost my daily passive income. See you in the next video clip. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye, everybody.